Hello, young animal lovers. Today, we're going to learn about some very special animals that need our help. These animals are called endangered animals because there aren't many of them left in the world. Let's find out who they are and how we can protect them. When we say an animal is endangered, it means there are very few of them left, and they might disappear forever. This is very sad, but there are things we can do to help. Meet the giant panda. Pandas live in the forests of China and love to eat bamboo. But their homes are disappearing because of deforestation. By protecting their forests, we can help pandas have a safe place to live and find food. Now, let's visit the African elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they live in Africa. Unfortunately, they are hunted for their tusks, which are made of ivory. By saying no to ivory products, we can help save these gentle giants. Look at the sea turtle swimming in the ocean. Sea turtles have been around for millions of years, but now they are endangered because of pollution and fishing nets. By keeping our beaches and oceans clean, we can protect sea turtles and their homes. High up in the snowy mountains, we find the beautiful snow leopard. These big cats are endangered because of hunting and loss of habitat. By supporting wildlife reserves and conservation projects, we can help snow leopards survive and thrive.